We're at the Shirley Apartments, 10 Montgomery Avenue in Bala, Cynwyd. Beautiful day. Large, expertly run apartment building in Bala, Cynwyd. Beautiful stone, really nice landscaping. Building's under brand new management and is being very well taken care of. It's in a residential neighborhood. It's a really beautiful, beautiful place. This is one of the common area entrances. Doors are open now because they're doing maintenance work. But typically these are all locked and closed. Here is one set of mailboxes. Okay. And you can walk up the steps to the unit. But this is an example of what the common area is like for every single unit. Now we'll take you up to the unit.
Hey everyone, I'm about to show you a 2-bedroom unit in a Shirley building, which is located on 10 Montgomery Ave, Bala, Cynwyd. I'm actually right inside the building right now, in the living room. The living room has a very nice hardwood floor and a big window. It has a lot of natural light. As I walk inside, I find the next room. It could be a dining or another living room. Decent size, very good size room. From this room, on the left hand side, there are 2 bedrooms and 1 bath. On the right hand side, there is kitchen. Let's take a look at the kitchen first. Kitchen has a very nice laminate floor, big space. It's a separate kitchen from the living area. And kitchen has this big storage cabinet, storage space, huge. You have a refrigerator. You have a lot of storage cabinets. You have oven, stove here. Nice size sink. And also here right now we don't have the washer and dryer, but it will be delivered soon. By the time the tenant moves in, we will have stocked up a washer and dryer. This will be the place for it. This is how it looks like when you see it from the other end of the house. And at the end of the kitchen room, there's a door. This door will take you to the back of the building. Yep. You have a lot of spaces for parking. Very quiet and nice residential area. Now I will get back to the house and show you the remaining rooms of the unit. The first room I would like to show you is the bedroom. Here, this is the living room I showed you earlier, the second living room or dining room. And the bedroom, first bedroom will be here, and the bathroom is next to this bedroom, and the other bedroom is over there at the corner. Let's get into this bedroom first. As you could see, it's a lot of natural light, two big windows. It's nice hardwood floor, nicely painted. At the corner you have big closet space. And also here you have a door. First door you see here is that will bring you to the bedroom. The second one is a door you could just walk in from your bedroom to the bathroom. Right. When you walk through the bathroom, it's a very nice floor. A bathtub, deep bathtub. You have sink and vanity. And I could walk out this door and show you the last bedroom and this big storage closet in the hallway. This is the storage closet. The last room I would like to show you is the other bedroom. Same hardwood floor, nicely painted room. You have windows and a door that could take you to the outside, to the back of the building. We have a similar door by the kitchen I showed you earlier. We have nice closet space. It's a huge bedroom, very good sized bedroom. Alright, I just showed you a 2-bedroom unit in Nasharali building, which is located as 10 Montgomery Ave, Bala. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.